Assalamualaikum, brand new video. Welcome everyone. Today I discuss the column concreting. This column 3 meter height, one time concreting. Engineering term, this is not allowed. Maximum 1.5 because this is only problem for segregation and breeding. Now we use the ready-mix concrete. This ready-mix concrete I use the special chemical. This chemical specialties, there are no bleeding, no segregation, just fluidity maximum, then early strain gainer. So now the cement use, there are no segregation, so maximum 3 meter or 4 meter concreting one time, no problem. Thank you very much. See you again.